In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a front loop single crochet. Don't mind, I was just doing a chain and turning so that I can have a clean space to work with here. So there are other videos where I show you how to do a regular single crochet, working in the entire stitch, which would look like this when you're going through the full stitch. You can see the little V shape there. I've shown you in another video how to do a back loop single crochet. To find all these videos, have a look at the links in the description below. And now for this video, I'm going to show you how to do a front loop single crochet. So when as I showed you, when you're doing a regular single crochet, you would go through the entire stitch. But since we're just going to be working in the front loop, you're going to go over the stitch and just go in that front loop. You're going to yarn over your hook and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. Push your hook over the stitch and into the front loop, yarn over your hook and pull up a loop. Got 2 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through both. And that's how you do a front loop single crochet. So regardless of what the stitch is, single crochet, half double crochet, it doesn't matter. If you're working in the front loop, it's the same technique. You're just going over the stitch and into the front loop. And that's how you do a front loop single crochet.